Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the XAURON EA for MT5. All right, and this EA specifically is focused on trading gold. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through the MQL5 marketplace page. We want to look at the features, understand how the EA works, and then we're going to jump into our strategy tester on MT5 to see how this EA works in real time, okay, using our backtesting feature. Okay, so right now I'm on the MQL5 marketplace, and as we can see, the XAURON EA is currently available for rent starting at 150 US dollars per month. Now, from the description, we can see that this EA is built around a structured breakout strategy. All right, it has a breakout strategy optimized for XAU USD, right? And that already gives us a good foundation, okay, because gold is an asset that tends to move strongly during certain periods, especially when volatility expands, right? The developer also mentions that the EA does not trade continuously. You can see that here. The XAURON is not designed to trade continuously, but to operate only when specific market configurations are present. All right, so it is more of a selective system rather than something that is constantly in the market. Now, looking at the core features, we've got a breakout based trading approach. We have volume filters, which likely help confirm momentum behind moves. All right. And then we also have the high impact economic events filter. Okay, that is going to be the news filter, right, which avoids high impact economic events. And then we have our time filter. All right, we have fixed stop loss and take profit. Okay, and then we also have the trailing stop, and then we have our time filter. Okay, so it's only trades during specific sessions. And then now, um if I want to now talk about the specifics of risk management, that is where the fixed stop loss, the take profit, and the trailing stop comes in. These are features that concerns risk management. All right, so overall, from a trailing stop to okay, so overall, from a structural standpoint, this is a disciplined breakout system with multiple layers of filtering and risk control. Okay, but before we head over to our strategy tester, we can also see that the EA has a real-time on-chart dashboard and a fully customizable set of parameters, and it is compatible with most brokers. So we are expecting to see these things mentioned here. When we head over to our strategy tester, we expected to see the dashboard. We expected to see these features. All right, so these are some of the images available here. Okay, backtesting results, but we are going to do our own backtesting. Okay, we are going to do our own backtesting, but these are just some of the results being posted here on the MQL5 marketplace. Let's head over to our strategy tester right away. From the description, by now we should already have an idea of how this EA is designed to operate, right? But the best way to really understand it is to see how it behaves in the strategy tester. So we already added it to our navigator, and then we're just going to test it immediately. All right, so we are going to be testing it um over the period of 3.5 months. That's going to be from the beginning of this year. So beginning of this year is going to be 1st January 2026, and as at the time of recording this video, the date is 20th April 2026. So that's why we're having about 3.5 months. about 3 months and 3 weeks. All right. And then as for the delays, we are going to use last ping to your server. All right. For a more realistic result. And yeah, we are good to go. Then for the symbol, we are just going to use XAUUSD because this EA is designed for XAUUSD. And we can just use the M15 time frame or any time frame of your choice actually, but for this video we're just going to be using the M15. All right. And then we are going to see how this EA works right now. All right. So the first thing I'm noticing here is that the EA is executing trades and setting the stop losses immediately. As we can see, trades are being executed and the stop losses are being set immediately. The exit levels, both stop loss and take profit, right? However, there are clear gaps, right? You can see not that just like we saw on the MQL5 web page, trades are not continuous, right? So there are clear gaps between trades. Okay, you can see that trades tend to happen when price breaks out of a defined range or a structure. So this confirms that it is a breakout based entry system, likely targeting moments where volatility expands and price moves decisively in one direction. Now, the presence of a volume filter is important, right? Because it suggests that the EA is not just taking every breakout, it's actually looking for breakouts that are supported by momentum, which helps reduce false signals. Okay. And then don't forget the time filter also, which are there so that trades are likely happening during specific sessions, probably when gold is most active. So these are some of the settings that the buyer of this EA can modify. All right. For example, if you want to modify the specific time when you want this EA to pick trades for you, you can do that, right? If you want to modify, depending on how, using the news filter, right, with respect to the economic events and all of that, feel free to modify the settings of the EA according to your taste. Okay, so let us head over to the inputs. We can see here, you can see strategy, look back period, highest, lowest, look back period, price mode, and all of those things, right? And then you can see trading time. You can see you can actually modify the settings, right? We have the time filter, we have the news filter. These are the settings that the user of this expert advisor can, modify. Okay, so let us just quickly look at the results of our back testing. All right. Now, we can see that the EA did not take many trades, and based on what we can also see, the EA, it's more of a scalper, right? Because there were 71 trades taken, and there was one short trade which was not a winning trade, and we had 70 long trades which were winning trades. All right, showing that this EA also follows trend. That is why we have mostly long trades, right? Because we had a bullish trend, right? So, but then the reason why I said this EA is a scalper is because we had 71 trades, but the net profit was just 67.88 US dollars, right? So the gross profit was 81 and the gross loss was 13. So it means that the trades were not left to run for long, right? Okay, so we actually had a net profit over the period of 3.5 months. And remember that past performance does not guarantee future results. All right. So if you want to make use of this EA, feel free to backtest it using several settings. If you want to, you can change the time frames for each backtest, and you can also decide to change the duration, all right, for each backtest. And don't forget that one of the things that affects drawdown when an EA is performing is the lot size being used. Okay, so the lot size affects the drawdown. Okay, so that is going to be it for this video. um overall overall this EA is structured and built around a classic breakout strategy with additional filters to improve trade quality. All right, focuses on selective entries, momentum confirmation, and controlled risk management, which makes it suitable for traders who prefer a more disciplined approach. So just keep in mind that performance can vary depending on market conditions, risk settings, or lot size. All right, and how the EA is configured. And of course, traders are free to test and optimize the settings further based on their own preferences. As always, these are historical backtest results and real market performance can differ. Okay. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.